Elaine T. Magawas from Barangay San Diego, San Pablo City, Laguna. So, bakit nga ba ako karapat-dapat to avail this kind of scholarship, which is the KMBI scholarship? So, we all know that there's a lot of students who are incapable of giving or having this kind of scholarship. But why am I deserving in this kind of scholarship? Because, well, aside from being one of the top of the class, I am also talented and sporty, and I am the person who do not give up. I am the person who is responsible, and I will give my eagerness in studying, and I will not let this scholarship to lost. I want this scholarship to maintain on my 5 years of studying in Laguna State Polytechnic University. And for the second question, what are the dreams in my life? So, honestly, I will take electrical engineering in Laguna State Polytechnic University, San Pablo City campus. And I want in the near future to be one of the successful engineers. But to elaborate my dreams, I have these 5 dreams. First, to graduate with honors, and if given a chance, to be a summa cum laude. Second, when I'll take the board exam for engineers, I want to be one of the top-notchers. And third, I want to apply in a specific or well-known company to be their professional engineer. And fourth, to help my family in their lives. And lastly, to continue to be a successful engineer that I will work here in the Philippines and also abroad. And I will always aim high. Thank you.
Tingnan mo kami yung sound.